Hi, this is Jordan Matin with the Matin Real Estate Group at Keller Williams. Here to tell you a little bit about what's going on in downtown Portland real estate and a little bit about what's happening in West Portland. And it's been a really exciting year for the market, and things have just really taken off. And so I have a couple stats here that I wanted to go over with you so you can understand what's happening in the market and why prices have been increasing. So first of all, to understand what's happening in the market, you have to understand that the supply has come down significantly. So where we had, a couple of years ago, over 7-10 months worth of inventory, now we're down in a very low percentage. In fact, in West Portland, as I'm looking here on my stats, there is only 2.7 months worth of inventory. This creates a very strong seller's market. The lower the inventory, the lower the supply, the higher demand is. Obviously, you know that the interest rate's been climbing. In the last month, the rates popped up almost a whole point. So that jump from 3.5 to 4.5 has created a huge demand. People want to get in on these great interest rates. Then you have the supply being low. It just creates a fire in the market that's allowing home prices to rise. So right now in West Portland, where downtown Portland real estate is, you have 852 homes on the market. And it looks like the average sales price, average original list price the average original list price was $491, and now it's gone up to about $481. And so homes are selling right around 97.9% of the original list original list to where they're actually selling. So homes are pretty much selling for what people are asking for. I've seen, especially in downtown, that homes are selling for over asking a lot of the times too. Multiple offers are very common, and I've seen properties go for 20, 30, 50,000 over asking when they're priced aggressively and ready to move in. What you're finding is that a lot of people are really interested in having properties that are move-in ready, where 3 or 4 years ago, everyone wanted that fixer-up. They wanted to come in and just get a steal deal, and they did. They got properties for 90% of value, 80% of value, and but that's not the case anymore. People want to just drop their bags and be done with it. So that's really interesting to be able to see that. Another thing that's been happening is that a lot of the properties that are being sold are cash buyers. 40% of the buyers in today's market in downtown Portland real estate are cash buyers. And a lot of investors coming in. They know the prices are coming up. They know the rates are coming up. And so they're hoping to use that cash to still get a good deal and rise it up. So it's a great time to be able to buy property. It's also a great time to sell it as well. We know that homes are going to keep going up. We don't know how long. It could steady off at next year while rates kind of rise and supply kind of evens out. But to sell, your property value from '09, where it was just a rock bottom, has increased significantly. So where you might have not been able to sell in '09 and 10 and 11, now that value might be there. Your equity might be back a little, and it would be a great time to sell. So if you're interested in selling your property or looking for a new one, I'd love to be able to help you. My name is Jordan Matin with the Matin Real Estate Group. My phone number is 971-285-2180. Again, Jordan Matin with the Matin Real Estate Group at Keller Williams. Thank you so much, and have a great day.